Number 25. Behind them. Pass to number 52. Super right, dribbling the ball. Super right. Super right from downtown. Good. Rebound by number 22. Pass to number 45. It's still by Tropicales. Tropicales. Pass to Solis. 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 Basket good. By Jason Solis. Number 20, Belaigo. It's still by Sobregaray. Sobregaray. Pass number 45. 45 to Garol. Garol to number 45. Number 45. No good. Rebound by Tropicales. Tropicales. Pass to Wachina. Still by number 23, Belaigo. Belaigo to number 45. Number 43, dribbling the ball. Number 45. Still by Solis. Solis. Pass to Sobregaray. To Steele. So Solis to Ochinada. Ochinada. Dribbling the ball. Ochinada. Ochinada. Pass to Sobregaray from down fix. Sobregaray pass to Tropicales fix. Roto good. Rebound by number 13. Castillo. Pass to number 23. Belaigo. Belaigo. To Garol. Still number 45. Passes good. Evangelista basket good. Sobregaray good. Renato Tropicales. Who's foul? Foul number 54. Number 54 foul. Garol. To free throw score for Tropicales. Rebound by Belaigo. Belaigo. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Garol. Garol. Good. Rebound by Sobregaray. Sobregaray. Pass to Solis. Solis dribbling the ball. Jason Solis lays it up. No good. Rebound by Kuya Arnel Mendoza. No good. Rebound by Tropicales. Who's foul red? Foul number 13, Castillo. Castillo first personal foul. 2 free throws for Tropicales. Time remaining 7 minutes and 13 seconds. 6-5 in favor of Golden Bill 1 red team. Belaigo dribbling the ball. Belaigo. Pass to Evangelista. Evangelista. Out of bounds, same ball. Timeout. Timeout, Greensboro. Inbound by Belaigo. Pass to Evangelista. What a pass! Evangelista. Basket's good. Sobregaray dribbling the ball. Sobregaray to Ochinada. Ochinada. Pass to Solis. 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 No good. Rebound by Belaigo. Belaigo dribbling the ball. Belaigo. Belaigo no good. Rebound by Sobregaray. Sobregaray dribbling the ball. Sobregaray. Sobregaray pass to Solis. 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 No good. Rebound by Tropicales. Tropicales. What a shot. Tropicales. Castillo dribbling the ball. Castillo. Castillo is good. Over. Ochinada dribbling the ball. Ochinada. Ochinada. Pass to Tropicales. Montero, no good. Rebound by Otsinada. Otsinada dribbling the ball. Otsinada pass to Tropicales. Pass is good. Garol dribbling the ball. Garol pass to Evangelista. Evangelista pass is good. Ang husay talaga ni Evangelista. Time remaining 4 minutes and 36 seconds. 11-9 in favor of Golden Bill 1 red team. Suprigaray dribbling the ball. Suprigaray from downtown. Rebound by Castillo. Castillo. Rebound by Solis. Offensive foul.
Palaban ko ako, nagkakitog ba eh. Talagang ginagawa ko. Effort na lang. Eh, pagod na siya. Dali na siya, mapayaw niya na.
Mangova dribbling the ball. Pass to number 52. Number 52. Pass to number 52 again. Out of bounds. Suprigaray. Pass to Otsinada. Otsinada dribbling the ball. Otsinada. Pass to Suprigaray. Suprigaray. Pass to Otsinada. Otsinada. Basket's good. Pass to Garol. No good. Rebound by Suprigaray. Suprigaray pass to Solis. Jason Solis. Basket's good. Time remaining 3 minutes and 12 seconds. 15-9. 6 points lead by Golden Bill 1 red team. Mangova. Pass to number 52. Pass to Evangelista. May kasama pa pa. Who's foul? Basket's good. Foul number 4. Solis. Substitution. Vega in. Solis out. Mendoza out. Sibong in. Bilbar in. Garol out. Bonus shot for Evangelista. Rebound by Tropicales. Tropicales pass to Suprigaray. Suprigaray to Vega. Vega for Tata. No good. Who's foul red? Foul number 7. 2-7. Foul number 2-7. First personal foul. Tropicales. Foul again. Who's foul red? Foul number 27. Second personal foul for number 27. Time remaining 2 minutes and 43 seconds. 15-11 in favor of Golden Bill 1. Montero dribbling the ball. Montero. Pass to Mangova. Pass to Suprigaray. Suprigaray is still by number 52. Montero dribbling the ball. Pass to number. Mangova still by Suprigaray. Still by Montero. To number 28. Santosa. Suprigaray. Pass to nothing. Out of bounds. White ball. Inbound by Evangelista. Pass to Montero. Montero dribbling the ball. Montero. Pass to Mangova. Pass to Vidal. Pass to Evangelista. Pass is good. Easy shot for Evangelista number 45. Suprigaray dribbling the ball. Pass to Vega. Pass to Otsinada. There's a foul. Who's foul red? Foul number 45. Evangelista. goes for Otsinada. Shout out from SBC, Omo Yul, Jing Jing, Asik UFC, Asik, Chris Musa, Otsinada, Otsinada lays it up, no good, rebound by the president Evangelista, pass to the steering, by Sibu, pass to Tropicales, to Pega, no good, rebound by Sobrigaya, pass is good, pass to De Los Santos, no good, out of bounds, save ball. De Los Santos. De Los Santos, still. Out of bounds. Time remaining, last 1 minute in the first quarter. 21-13. 8-point lead by Golden Beer One Red Team. Otsinada dribbling the ball. Otsinada. Otsinada, pass to Vega. Vega, pass to Otsinada. Otsinada from downtown, no good. Rebound by Montero. Montero dribbling the ball. Montero pass to Mengopa. Pass is good. Montero, Mengopa, connection. So bring it right, lays it up, no good. Rebound by pass to Montero. Montero dribbling the ball, last 24 seconds. Pass to Evangelista. Sumega pa. Sabi ni Idol, Evangelista. Last 16 seconds. Sibu. Pass to Sobrigalay. Sobrigalay. Pass to Tropicales. Disconnection. Ni Sobrigalay to Tropicales. Montero. Nice pass, brother. Idol talaga kita. Wala ang upas. Pagparehas kayo po, maamon nyo sa akin, jersey nyo. Para hindi kayo magkaparehas. Joke lang. Backside daw, sabi ni coach. Super ka right, dribbling the ball. Dinanggal pa. Super ka right, to Vega. Vega from downtown, no good. Rebound by Sibu, block by Evangelista. Belaico, pass to Evangelista. Evangelista out of bounds. Red ball. Super ka right, dribbling the ball. Pass to Vega, Vega, to Dado. Dado to Sobrega right from downtown. No good. Rebound by Sibu. Sibu, no good. Rebound by Dado. Dado, tinuod na. Wala shot. Pinakakali mo eh. Evangelista dribbling the ball. Evangelista pass to Belaico. 8-point lead by Belaico, pass to Villanueva. Pass to number 55. To number 57. Is it by Vega? Vega dribbling the ball. Vega, pass to out of bounds, save ball. Tapay Ramos. Vega, pass to Dado. Dado to number 4. Simo Vasquez here. Easy shot for Simo. Villanueva. Villanueva from downtown. No good. Rebound by number 55. Out of bounds. Time remaining 8 minutes and 20 seconds. 10-point lead by Golden Beer One Red Team. Number 57. No good. Rebound by Dado. Dado dribbling the ball. Pass to Vega. Vega dribbling the ball. Pass to Sibu. Block by number 45. Natin by House. Sabi ni Evangelista. Sibu. Pass to number 14. Sumera to Sibu again. No good. Rebound by Sobrega. What a shot for Laurel Sobregaray. Number 27, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 55. 55 to Evangelista. Evangelista, no good. Rebound by Vega. Vega dribbling the ball. Easy lang daw, sabi ni Vega. Time remaining 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 12.8 by Golden Bill 1. Vega. Vega to number 14. Number 14, Sumera! Bang! Lapus, pass to Evangelista. Evangelista to number 57. There's a foul. Who's foul? Foul number 14, Somera. 2 free throws for Arevalo. Sumera, pass to Dado, to Sobregaray. Sobregaray to Vega. Vega, no good. Rebound by Sumera. Sumera, pass to Dado. Dado, no good. Rebound by Beraygo. Beraygo dribbling the ball. Beraygo, pass to Villanueva, no good. Rebound by Dado. Pass to Vega. Vega, pass to Sobregaray. No lumpas sa lapas eh. Beraygo, dribbling the ball. Mister na Vega. Vega dribbling the ball. Vega is gonna Beraygo. Vega again. Pass to the sa foul. Who's foul? Foul number 27. 23. Beraygo. Nice move! Idol talaga nagka-brad! What a shot for Laurel Sobregaray. Beraygo, dribbling the ball. Beraygo, pass to Villanueva from downtown. 11.2 by Golden Bill to Vega. Vega dribbling the ball. Pass to Sobregaray. Sobregaray Dado. Pass to Sibu. Sibu, no good. Nothing but ring. Arevalo, dribbling the ball. Arevalo, dribbling the ball. Arevalo, no good. Rebound by Vega. Pass to Sumera. Still Beraygo. Pass to number 55. Pass to number 45, Evangelista almost it. Block. Oh, block again by Dado. Pass to Arevalo. There's a foul. Who's foul number 6, Sibu. 2 free throws for Arevalo. Time remaining 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Out of bounds. Substitution, Carol in, Olsinada in. Sobregaray out. Number 55, Lapus out. Olsinada, dribbling the ball. Olsinada is screened by Somera. Olsinada to Dado. Dado to Somera. Basket good. Villanueva dribbling the ball. Villanueva from downtown. Out of bounds, save ball. Villanueva in from downtown. No good. Rebound by Simo. Simo pass to Vega. Vega dribbling the ball. Easy lang daw sabi ni Vega. Vega, pass to number 14, Somera. What a pass. Vega, Somera, connection. Montero dribbling the ball. Montero, pass to Arevalo. Arevalo block by Dado. Out of bounds, same ball. Substitution, Tropicales in. Simon out. Rebound by Somera. Somera pass to Otsinada. Tropicales. Tropicales is still by Garol. Garol is still by Tropicales. Pass to Somera. Somera pass to Dado. Out of bounds. Substitution rep. Mangova in. Villanueva out. Mengova, pass to Montero. Montero to Mengova. Mengova to Evangelista. Still by Tropicales, pass to Vega. Out of bounds. White ball. Substitution. Solis in, Dado out. Time remaining 2 minutes and 57 seconds. 37-15-point lead by Golden Bill 1 Red Team. Montero, pass to Mengova from downtown. No good. Rebound by Tropicales. Out of bounds, red ball. Still out of bounds, white ball. Evangelista dribbling the ball. Evangelista pass to Arevalo. What a shot. Vega dribbling the ball. Vega pass to Solis. Solis nice back. No good. Block by number 45. It's still by Solis. Solis. Ang pagbabalik ni Solis. Mengova, pass to Montero. Montero dribbling the ball. Montero, no good. Rebound by Solis, pass to Vega. Vega to Tropicales. Pass to Somera. Somera to Solis. Back to back by Solis. 17-point lead by Golden Bill 1. Time remaining 1 minute and 27 seconds. Montero from downtown. Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. Back up to Solis. Basket's good. Nakatap kembali ka na, Solis. Garol dribbling the ball. Pass to Evangelista. No good. Rebound by Somera. Pass to Solis. To Tropicales. Lays it out. No good. Rebound by Somera. Out of bounds. White ball. 44 seconds. Pass to Garol dribbling the ball. Pass to Montero, pass to Mengova, pass to Evangelista. Pass is good. Nice pass, Mengova to Evangelista. Last 28 seconds. Vega dribbling the ball. Pass to Tropicales. Mengoma, pass to Arevalo. Arevalo dribbling the ball. Arevalo. Guard by Solis. Pass to Mengoma from downtown. Vega, pass is good. And that's the end of the first half. 45-32. 13-point lead of Golden Bilwan Red Team. First quarter, 11-point lead by Golden Bilwan Superiorai. Pass is there by Belago. Belago lays it up. No, pass is good by Belago. Ayan na sila, nabigyan natin na. Mendoza pass to Superiorai. Superiorai pass to Otsinada. Otsinada dribbling the ball. Otsinada lays a pass to Mendoza. Mendoza pass is good. Pass to Evangelista. Evangelista to Garol. Garol to dribbling the ball. Garol to number 52. No good. Rebound by Otsinada. Otsinada is still. Otsinada again. Otsinada dribbling the ball. Pass to Solis. Pass to nothing. Out of bounds. Sayang. Belago dribbling the ball. Belago. Pass to number 52. 3-point shot by Montero. Pass to Superiorai from downtown. No good. Rebound by Montero. Montero pass to Belago. Hindi na natin. Otsinada dribbling the ball. Otsinada pass to Tropicales from downtown. Tropicales lays it up. That is good. What a shot for number 20. Tropicales. Garol pass to Montero. Montero pass to Garol. Garol from downtown. Still by Solis. Pass to Otsinada. Otsinada to Superiorai. Superiorai lays it up. That is good. Belago. Pass is good. Tropicales to Superiorai. Pass is nothing. Out of bounds. 10-point lead by Golden Bilwan. Time remaining 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Belago. Pass to Rebound by Superiorai. Superiorai easy lang daw. Sabi ng iba. Superiorai lays it up. Rebound by Otsinada. Rebound by Solis. Rebound by Otsinada. Otsinada bumabit ang katawan. Ang bumangga. Iba. Number Montero. Pilih mana aja. Otsinada dribbling the ball. Otsinada pass to Solis to Otsinada. Otsinada from downtown. Belayo pass to number 13 no good. Rebound by pass to Otsinada. Otsinada tekan down sabi niya. Relax. 10-point lead by Golden Otsinada. Pass to Laurel. Sobrang arrive. Pass to Tropicales. Tropicales. Walang pito referee. Basket is good. Otsinada pass to Sobrang arrive. Dribbling the ball. Sobrang arrive from downtown. Pass to Solis. Sobrang arrive. Ang galing mo, idol. Montero dribbling the ball. Pass to Garol. To Montero again. Montero. No good. Rebound by Otsinada. Pass to Tropicales. Out of bounds. Same ball. Time remaining 4 minutes and 36 seconds. 60-46. 14-point lead by Golden Bilbao. Tropicales. Pass to Sobregaray. From downtown Sobregaray. Good. Rebound by Evangelista. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Montero. Steal by Sobregaray. Pass to Tropicales. Lays it up. Basket's good. Still. Montero dribbling the ball. Ang ganda ng tabek. There's a foul. Who's fouled? Foul number 5. Mendoza, substitution. Number 3 in, number 4 out. Substitution. Mangoba in. Number 27. Mamaya.
Pipigain mo rin tabit ng sobrang tayo. Yes.
Substitution rep. Vivar in. Number 13. Castillo out. Otsinada dribbling the ball. Otsinada. Pass to Tropicales. Sobregaray. Still by Montero dribbling the ball. Pass to Vivar. Vivar. Still by Tropicales. Pass to Laurel Sobregaray. To Mendoza. Good. Rebound by Sobregaray dribbling the ball. Sobregaray pass to Tropicales. Lays it up. Basket is good. Still by Vega dribbling the ball. Pass to Sobregaray. Basket is good. Montero. Pass to Mangoba. Basket is good. Tropicales. Tap by Montero. Out of bounds. Same ball. Time remaining. Last 3 minutes in the third quarter. 66-49. 17-point lead by Golden Bilbao. Vega. Pass to Tropicales. Basket is good. Vega pa. Still by Sobregaray. Pass to Tropicales from downtown. Good. Nothing. Still by Vega dribbling the ball. Vega. Easy lang daw. Pass to Sobregaray from downtown. Sobregaray. Time remaining 1 minute and 52 seconds. 22-point lead by Golden Bill 1. Now Sobrigara is in the top. Is pass to Tropicales. Tropicales to Sobrigara again. Sobrigara pass to Vega. Vega pass to Mendoza. Mendoza pass to Tropicales. There's a foul. There's a foul. Who's foul rep? 27. Foul rep. 2 free throws for Tropicales. Lumayo na ang Golden Bill 1 gusto. 26-point lead by Golden Bill 1. Number 27, fourth personal foul, running for Broadway. Bibar dribbling the ball. Pass to Mengova. Mengova, pass to Bibar. Bibar, nice pass, but out of bounds. Red ball. Time remaining 1 minute. Vega dribbling the ball. Vega, pass to Mendoza. Mendoza! No good. Out of bounds, same ball. Substitution. Solis in. Tropicales out. Pagod na si Ryder. Mendoza, pass to Sobrigaray. Sobrigaray to Mendoza again. Out of bounds. White ball. Bilar. 35 seconds remaining in the third quarter. That's good by Sobrigaray. Sobrigaray lays it up. No good. Sobrigaray again. No good. Sobrigaray again. Pass is good. Lumiliya pa ng pataligot. Ang galing mo, idol. Kiss mo yan mamaya. Patuloy. Napakahusay mo, Sobrigaray. Bibar, dribbling the ball. Oh! Pinasa sa kalaban. Vega from downtown. No good. Vega easy shot. And that's the end of the third quarter. 81-51. Red na po ang laban ng Golden Bill 1.
Bukan ba ako niyan?
Bola!
Solis pass to Simon. No good. Rebound by pass to Belaico. Belaico dribbling the ball. Belaico pass to Evangelista. No good. Rebound by. No good. Rebound by Vega dribbling the ball. Vega lays it up. Basket is good. Easy shot by number 3. Vega. Lapus. Pass to Mengova. Mengova dribbling the ball. Pass to Arevalo. Arevalo no good. Rebound Delgado. Still. Pass to Arevalo. Arevalo there's a foul. Who's foul? Number 4. Solis. Third personal foul. Belaico pass to Mengova dribbling the ball. Mengova no good. Rebound by Solis. Out of bounds. Red ball. Time remaining 8 minutes and 45 seconds. 83-51. 32-point lead by Golden Bill 1. Konti lang. Vega dribbling the ball. Vega Somera dribbling the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Somera, pass to Dado, nice pass. Somera, Dado, connection. What a pass. Beraigo, pass to Rebel. Rebel nice it up, no good. Out of bounds, red ball. Time remaining 7 minutes and 47 seconds. Vega dribbling the ball. Vega, pass to Solis. Solis to Dado, still by Beraigo. Beraigo dribbling the ball. Beraigo, there's a foul. Who's foul red? Foul number 3. Vega.
Shoot! Kuya, galingan mo! I-shoot mo! Yun!
Somera, dribbling the ball. Somera. Pass to Sibo. Sibo dribbling the ball. Pass to Solis. Solis, pass to Dado. Dado. Still. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Vega dribbling the ball. Pass to Solis. 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 Out down. Beraigo. Pass to Evangelista. Evangelista no good. Rebound by Dado. Dado. Somera dribbling the ball. Somera number 14. Somera. Pass to Vega. Relax lang daw, sabi ni Vega. 87-52. 35-point lead by Golden Bill 1. Vega pass to Sibo. Pass to Dado. Dado. Pass to Somera. White ball. Menggoba, dribbling the ball. Menggoba, there's a foul. Who's foul, right? Number 6, Sibo. Second personal foul. Time remaining 5 minutes and 51 seconds. Menggoba pass to Beraigo. Beraigo to Evangelista. Pass is good. Vega dribbling the ball. Pass to Solis. Solis lays it up. Pass is good for Jason Solis. Beraigo dribbling the ball. Pass to Evangelista from down, good. Rebound by Dado. Pass to Vega. Vega lays it up. Good. Out of bounds. White ball. Time remaining 5 minutes. Menggoba dribbling the ball. Menggoba. No good. Rebound by Sibo. Sibo dribbling the ball. Sibo to Somera. Somera dribbling the ball. Relax lang daw. Pass to Sibo. To Somera again. Somera to Sibo again. Sibo traveling without passport. Substitution. Mendoza in, Solis out. Time remaining 4 minutes and 27 seconds. 35-point lead by Golden Bill 1. Menggoba, good. Rebound by number 45. Evangelista, basket skill. Somera dribbling the ball. pass to Mendoza. Mendoza pass to Cebu. Good. Rebound by Evangelista. Pass number 55 Lapus. To Villanueva. Good. Mendoza dribbling the ball. Mendoza pass to Vega. Pass to Mendoza. Good. Evangelista pass to Mengova pass to Lamos to Villanueva. Good. Still by Arevalo. Pass is good. Time remaining 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Cebu pass to Mendoza. Cebu Mendoza connection. May kasama pang video. Mengova dribbling the ball. Pass to Arevalo. Mendoza, but there's a foul. Foul number 5, Mendoza. Substitution. Bilbar in. Benay go out. Mendoza. Pass to Sumera. Pass to Cebu to Sumera connection. No good. Sumera again. No, pass is good. Cebu, Sumera connection. Special apatan. Evangelista. No good. Rebound by Dado dribbling the ball. Pass to Vega. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Mendoza. Good. Rebound by Mengova pass to Arevalo na pumukimang. Sayang. Cebu. What a shot. Last 2 minutes. Out of bounds. Time remaining 1 minute and 44 seconds. Vega dribbling the ball. Vega pass to Mendoza. Basket game. Vega sama pang video. Out of bounds. Nice one, Kuya Arnel. Galing ng tumot. Dado. Pass to Mendoza, pass to Vega. Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds. To Mendoza, to Cebu. No good. Rebound by Bilbar. Last 1 minute. Bilbar dribbling the ball. Pass to Arevalo. No good. Rebound by Villanueva. No good again. Rebound by Bilbar. Basket good. Last 49 seconds.
Ay, hindi na sa Jago. Samahan niyo daw. Sana po.
Mendoza dribbling the ball. Mendoza lays it up. Basket good. Last 30 seconds. Arevalo. No good. Rebound by Villanueva. Basket good. Last 20 seconds. Pass to Mendoza. Basket good. Last 10 seconds. No good. Rebound by Arevalo. Basket good.